If you're trying to choose between Lemlist, SalesHandy, and Smartlead, this is the video for you, as I'll stop you from paying for features that you don't need or picking a tool that is too limited. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know which one fits your outreach stage. This is designed for beginners, freelancers, agencies, and small teams who want to send cold emails the right way, without wrecking deliverability. I'll explain what each tool is built for, how they fit into a real outreach workflow. By the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up for completely free. Now let's dive in. What is Lemlist? Lemlist is a specialized cold email sending platform. It focuses on advanced email sequences, strong personalization, and deliverability and warm-up tools. Lemlist does not find leads. You bring your own lead list, and Lemlist helps you send better cold emails with higher reply rates. It's best when outreach is already important to your business. While on the other hand, what is SalesHandy? SalesHandy is a simpler cold email automation tool. It offers email sequences, follow-ups, and basic analytics. SalesHandy is built for people who want to send cold emails without complexity. It's easier to use than Lemlist, but also less advanced. And last but definitely not least, what is Smartlead? Smartlead focuses heavily on email deliverability and scaling multiple inboxes, account rotation, and high volume sending. Smartlead is popular with agencies and power users who manage many inboxes at once. Now, the difference comes down to the depth versus scale. For example, with Lemlist, it equals quality and personalization, while with SalesHandy, on the other hand, you'll be getting simplicity, and with Smartlead, you'll be getting high volume infrastructure. And if we were to compare their pricing, with Lemlist, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $69 and it can go up to $99. While with SalesHandy, on the other hand, you can also get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $36 and it can go up to $299. And with Smartlead, you can also try them out for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $39 and can go up to $379. So in conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend that you choose Lemlist for high quality cold outreach, while on the other hand, I would recommend you pick SalesHandy if you want something simple. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend you pick Smartlead if you're scaling at volume. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative.